let's learn about sort tool. The sort tool is a tool that arranges the output data in a specific order. Let's drag the sort tool from the preparation toolbar and drag and drop onto canvas next to the summarize tool. Then, in the configuration pane on the left, let's first select vehicle count and then select descending to view in a descending order. So the largest amount of the record will be come top. And next, we select MSRPCY, and we'll also put it as a descending order. And let's try hit, run. Let's check the result pane. Output node. Make sure you click the output node. And in the core certification exam, if a simulation problem is given and the instructions tells you to process your sample data in the way that we have been building the workflow so far and asks in the end, what is the county with the third most Tesla Model Y vehicle? And we can use this sort tool to find out that Model Y, the Pierce County, is the third most registered place for Model Y with 855 vehicles. We have covered the sort tool. Please complete the assignments according to the instructions indicated at the bottom of the sort box in the Alteryx 101 core file.